we've got our fruit for thought for the month of February. So if you want to see what kind of sweet treat we got this month, stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy.
I'm Chloe.
And this little guy right here is Bandit. And this is our Fruit for Thought box for the month of February. So I just want to take a moment to welcome you if you're new. Thanks so much for stopping by. We hope you decide to stay. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is a monthly subscription box. It used to be just focused on fruit. She has branched out. And so I know next month is another afternoon tea because that one was wildly successful last year. So this month I think has to do with strawberries, but I'm not sure. Let's get in this box and find out. What do you think?
Okay.
Yes, strawberries and cream. So we have 5 items in here around that theme. And I do just want to take a moment to tell you, if you are looking for a subscription box with a fantastic owner, this is the one for you. I will tell you, Pam, the owner, is so responsive, so quick to respond, so great. Great customer service. This is a fantastic box. She puts together just some of the neatest things too. All right, what's the first thing in there?
This is like an oven mitt.
All right, by Avery Lane Gifts, we have this adorable oven mitt that you could also use as a trivet. Great for spring. Look at how cute that would be for the spring. And you've got that thermal safe material on the bottom. Oh, we got one of these before. It was so good.
Oh yeah.
But in a different scent. This is a berries and cream candle. Let me look up who does that. This is Milk House Candle Company. This is a soy candle in strawberries and cream. So this lasts for 35 hours and is 100% paraffin free with a lead-free wick. Now, we did get one of these in a fall-themed box that was so good. It was like an orchard scent, I think.
Yeah.
Oh my God. So here's how it looks, but isn't that just so cute? Just a cute little piece of farmhouse decor.
So next we got these strawberry smoothie cowtails,
which we will be trying. You ready to try it?
Yeah, why wouldn't I be?
I don't know.
Strawberry is such an underrated flavor.
So here is how it looks.
There's 2 of them, by the way.
Okay, well, we'll just open one for today.
Yeah, I know, I was just telling you.
That's pretty good. Juicy. It was like a burst of strawberry flavor. It's not for a baby, though.
I don't have a dog face on it.
By Golden Dough and Co. is a strawberry glazed donut. Look at that, just in time for breakfast.
I thought you ate a donut.
I'm not a big donut person, but I'm going to try this.
All right.
If we bring it home, you know what will happen.
Yeah.
Hold on. I'm going to give you a piece of this. I'm not going to eat this whole piece.
All right.
This is the whole reason she's on board. She will work for food.
What is that? I didn't set a 4-minute timer.
That's pretty tasty. Not as fresh as, a fresh donut, but it definitely has a nice strawberry flavor. I can give you some of the cake part. There you go. All right.
He scares me.
What else we got?
Ooh, we got this notepad thing.
All right, and this has a magnet on the bottom. I think you're gonna put the magnet on wherever you want it, and I do like it like this rather than up here. But that's cute for your little grocery list or your little honeydew list. Anything else?
Other than the other cowtail, I don't think so.
All right. All right, so that is our February Fruit for Thought, strawberries and cream. I think she nailed it. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, great treats.
I'm having that notepad.
Great. I can leave you a list of things to do on it. Fantastic. I love that. All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with us. I do have a link down below to Fruit for Thought if you're interested. I don't have any discount codes or anything, but there is a link down there for you if you are interested. And she's always running great sales. So get on her mailing list for some of her really great sales. I think she just had one for like 40% off, but I'm already paid through June. So I said, oh, I'll just wait for the next one. All right. Thank you so much for spending a little time with us. Please, she's dunking her donut in coffee. Is it better in coffee?
A little bit.
Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully we'll see you soon.